Hey folks, welcome back to the Tony Thrasher channel. Today we're going to be working on a leaky faucet. You can see we've removed the valve stem and we've got a seal that's just all cracked up. We're going to get that out of there and we're going to install a new one. So we go to our Pro Value Pack. We find the closest one that we can find that'll fit the valve stem. In this case we found a 1/2 inch one, and it didn't quite fit. You see in this clip here, it just barely didn't fit. You don't want it buckling. Took a little bit of sandpaper, filed down the edges just ever so slightly. It just barely didn't fit. Yes, we could have went and found the exact right one, but it's what we had. Filed it down a little bit, fit right in there, not bulging up or anything. Put a little bit of plumber's grease on there and no leaks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We appreciate you.